Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your browser and going straight to Google.com. You should sign in if you want personalized results and saved settings. This affects suggestions and history. Make sure location and cookies are allowed so local queries return accurate results. Once done, focus on the search box at the top. Type a clear query using keywords, not a full sentence, and watch autocomplete help you refine terms. This gets the search engine to show relevant results immediately. Now you refine queries using operators like cite, example, com, file type, PDF minus to exclude, and quotation marks to lock phrases. That narrows results quickly and reduces noise. After the initial results load, click Tools to filter by time, or choose Images, News, or Shopping tabs depending on intent. If typing is slow, use the mic icon for voice search or the camera icon to search by image. These methods change how Google interprets your intent and can surface better sources. To complete a session, open promising results in new tabs and scan snippets to confirm relevance before deep reading. This saves time. Use your browser history or Google My Activity to return to useful searches and rebuild research paths. If search results seem wrong or biased, clear cache and cookies, or use an incognito window to rule out personalization. If that fails, check location and language settings and restart the browser. These steps fix most issues and restore accurate search behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.